Hello dear student, welcome to you in today's lecture of English. Dear student, I hope you are very well at your home and attending video lecture. So student, as we have already completed the explanation of the first one story of course book and the name of it, The Dentist Alien. I hope student you have understood it very well, and one more homework I have given to you to read the story thoroughly and underline the difficult words, as well as you have to just complete that word meaning in your notebook also, which is already given on your book page number 3. I hope dear student you have also completed that homework 1. Now it's time to complete the question answers. So I hope you all are ready with your course book and with your notebook. As I already told you that you have to make 200 pages register for English course book, and whenever you are going to start any written work in your notebook, the instruction you have to just follow that you have to just give heading in beautiful handwriting of any letter of any lesson or any poetry, and then before going to start written work, just draw margin on each pages, and after completing each question answers you have to just give underline with pencil. So this much instruction you have to just follow, and for whenever you write question answers, you can use two pens, black and blue. You can write you can use black pen for writing question, and answer you can write with blue pen. So in this way you have to just maintain your notebook very carefully with neat and clean handwriting. So let me just continue. Now let me see the first one question, which is given on your book page number 3. Complete this sentence with words or phrases from the story. So with using the words in the story, we have to just complete the sentence. Carol wanted to be Carol wanted to be dash till the dental headgear was removed from his jaw. Carol wanted to be, what is the correct one answer in the first one blank? Yes, it will be homeschool. He want to take education at home. वो घर पे education लेना चाहता है. Why? He want to take education because the dental headgear, it was fixed in his head and it was covered with his jaw. So that's why वो क्या चाहता है, जब तक उसका वो dental headgear उसके face से नहीं निकलेगा, so he doesn't want to just go to the school. Now next one, after hearing her question, Carol looked dash at Chitra. After hearing her question, Carol looked sympathetically at Chitra. वो चित्रा की तरफ कैसे देखने लगता है? Sympathetically, यानी sympathy से देखने लगता है. So here I have written the answer of the first one questions, fill in the blanks. So you may just complete it in your book. Now next one, Carol wiped his tears, thinking how his classmates would call him a dash if they saw him crying. Carol wiped his tear, मतलब Carol अपने आंसुओं को पोंछता है, thinking how his classmate, and he started to think about his classmate that if they saw him that I am crying, so what they will give name to me? Yes, they will say to me cry baby. तो वो मुझे क्या कहेंगे, बुलाएंगे cry baby. So that's why he wiped his tears. Next one, Shekhar dashed and called Carol a loser. Shekhar cackled. Shekhar cackled. It means he laughed. He laughed rudely. वो rudely laugh करता है, हंसता है उसके ऊपर, and he called him Carol a loser. Next, when Carol won the game, Shekhar could not hide his admiration. When Carol won the match, जब Carol मैच जीत लेता है, and Shekhar could not hide his admiration. Admiration means the feeling of liking someone. तो तब जब वो गेम जीत जाता है तब वो उसे लाइक करने लगता है. कौन? शेखर. So that's why Shekhar could not hide his admiration. वो अपनी admiration को छिपा नहीं पाता है. In this way I have written the first one questions answers of fill in the blanks. You may just complete it in your notebook. First one, homeschooled. Second, sympathetically. Third one, crybaby. Fourth one, cackle. And fifth one, admiration. First of all, you have to just complete it you have to just complete this exercise in your notebook also. Now let me see the next question which is given on your book page number 4. Answer this question based on the story. Question number B. So let me see, there are 3 questions are given. Now let me see the answer. So the first question, what did Kairav and Chitra have in a common? Kairav और चित्रा में क्या कॉमन चीजें थी? Kairav and Chitra both look grotesque. Both, what they both, how they both look? They both look grotesque. Grotesque means they look ugly. वो ugly दिखाई देते. They do not look like good. Why? Because both had chin guard and still mouth. Because as I explained you that Kairav, who is having dental problem, and it was suggested by the doctor that he had to just use डेंटल हेडगियर, जो उसे डेंटल हेडगियर पहनना था, जो उसके फोरहेड से चीन तक अटैच था. एंड व्हाई इट वाज अटैच? बिकॉज द ग्रोथ ऑफ हिज टीथ इज नॉट गोइंग ऑन प्रॉपरली. दैट्स व्हाई इट वाज सजेस्टेड बाय द डॉक्टर. एंड चित्रा के क्या लगे हुए थे? क्लिप्स लगे हुए थे. उसके टूथ में क्लिप्स लगे हुए थे, स्टेनलेस स्टील के जो क्लिप्स लगे थे. दैट्स व्हाई बोथ दे लुक्स grotesque means ugly, because both they are having the same problem, same dental problem. So this one is the first answer. I repeat it, just note it down in your notebook. Kairav and Chitra both look grotesque, both had chin guard and stainless steel mouth. Now let me see the next question. Which period did Kairav dislike most? Next question, which period did Kairav dislike most? Kairav को कौन से पीरियड पसंद नहीं थे? Kairav disliked the assembly as well as craft and drama period, as it was given in your first page when he entered with his mother in the school, and when he heard there is no physical education class, so he explained he expressed his expression was very sad, and when he heard that there is no craft and no drama period and no assembly period, so he was too much happy. So in this way we could say that Kairav disliked the assembly as well as craft and drama period. I hope student you have done it well. Now let me see the next question. Which period was Kairav sorry to miss? Which period was Kairav sorry to miss? Kairav was sorry to miss the physical education period. Which period he do not want to miss? He do not want to miss any physical education period, because it was his very good period. He liked it too much. So I hope dear student you have done it in your notebook. I repeat it once again, just note it down if you still incomplete. First answer, Kairav and Chitra both look grotesque because they had chin guard and stainless steel mouth. Second answer, Kairav disliked the assembly as well as craft and drama period. Third, Kairav was sorry to miss the physical education period. I hope dear student you have done it. If still any line is still remain, so just click a video, pause a video, pause a video and you may just click it, and then afterward you can just complete it in your notebook. Now dear student, remaining question answers we will complete in next period. Now I want to just give you one homework which is given. One question you can see on your book page number 5. First one question, underline the words ending in ly in the story. As you know, adverbs are words that modify the verbs, and generally we could say there are some words which is ended with ly. It could be said adverb. So here what you have to do from the story, you have to just read the story once again, and if any word is there which word's last letters are ly, so you have to just underline it. Then after reading the whole story and underline the adverb in the story, what you have to do, Now look at the second question. Now write the adverb you have underlined in the first column below. And here you can see two options, two columns are there. First one adverb and second one the opposites of that adverb. So all the adverbs you have to just note it down in that first one column, in adverb column. And now you have to just note it down the opposite words of that adverb. So dear student, it's your today's homework, question number A and question number B, which is given on your book page number 5. And how could you complete this homework? So first of all, completing this homework, you have to just read the story once again very carefully and search the adverb from it. So I hope dear student, you will just complete your today's homework today itself, and will meet you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.